Hello everyone, this is Anita C. We're now in Las Vegas, and the first night we'll be staying at the JW Marriott Hotel in Las Vegas, and we're in Suite 6114. This is not a hotel on the Las Vegas Strip. Is a very standard American hotel. We got upgraded to a one-bedroom suite using the Suite Night Award, and I will tell you a few reasons why I choose to stay here for one night for the first night. Definitely is not comparable to what you have in mind for a Las Vegas hotel in the Las Vegas Strip, which we will be checking in tomorrow at the Bellagio, the luxury collection, so you can see the difference. But this is a cool hotel, especially I can use my upgrade certificate and get the one-bedroom suite, which is 1,000 square feet. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour. On the right, there is a powder room. And as you can see, space is of no issue here. Very spacious, okay? So this is the living room and then the dining room area. So I have to show you, something fun. I haven't seen like this modem connection for the longest time. So this is quite fun to see that, quite a good love between me and my husband. So anyway, this is the resort map, and they have two tower. So one is the Palm Tower, and we're at the Spa Tower. So we can get direct access from the lobby, from where the casino we can walk in. So this is where we'll be staying. So if you're familiar with American Hotel or American Resort, they always impose a resort fee. So, pros and cons, a lot of people complain about it, but resort fee here includes the daily valet parking. So for us who rent a car, there's some value, with this. And then of course some welcome drink, daily bike rental, internet access, some free slot play at the casino, bingo, and 2 free welcome drinks. So something like that, they say added up to a total of $188. So the resort fee is only $45, things like that. A lot of people do not like the resort fee, because you may not be able to use a lot of those, but they do impose on it. But anyway, this is how it works in American resorts. So we have to go with the flow. Okay, so very quickly, this is huge, as I say, living room area. They have changed the TV, it's big screen, which is not bad. And then this is the view. So I'm telling you, there are a few reasons why we choose to stay at this hotel for the first night. First of all, of course, it's easier to get upgrade to a one-bedroom suite at this property. Also, it's very close to Red Rock Canyon. So in fact, we will be joining a horseback riding tour with the barbecue tonight, which I'm going to show you, which is a tour. And this hotel is pretty close to the Red Rock Canyon. So we're going to drive to the visitor center and have a look. So that's the convenience. And the other thing too is, for those of you who follow me for some time, know that we're not good golfers, but we do love to golf. So they have the Angel Park golf course here. So we're booked for the tee time tomorrow. So it's like 2 minutes away. So this is another big reason why we choose to stay at this hotel for one night before moving to the Las Vegas Strip. So this is the dining area. So they do provide with some water, with the coffee machine, of course it's drip coffee, I assume. And then they have a mini fridge. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And then walking right in, actually the bedroom is quite nice. I think they may have renovated, but anyway, with a very comfortable lazy chair. And then with another big TV over here. with the thick mattress. You know, nice linen. JW Marriott is still a 5-star hotel. And then the bedboard, and then another silver area. And then they have a big walk-in closet. So a big room for walk-in closet, the safe deposit box. You know, the JW Marriott Las Vegas bathrobe, luggage rack. Oh, actually I see the iron board as well in this big walk-in closet room. And then this is the master bathroom, which they have the bathtub, you know, the jacuzzi bathtub for the suite, as well as the double sink. And then this is the shower, still with the rain shower. And then actually the amenities is quite a good brand, not the standard Marriott one for the suite. So pretty good there. Nice fluffy towel as well. So basically this is the room that we'll be staying for one night. We're going out to Red Rock Canyon after lunch, and then horseback riding in the evening, and then we're going to play the executive golf course at Angel Park tomorrow. So we're also going to have breakfast here as well. So this is pretty much the room tour. The lobby is a little bit dark. I'm going to show you some public area in photos because it's a lot of people, so I do not want to take video or vlog. So we'll show you more about this hotel in case you do not want to stay at the Las Vegas Strip for all the nights that you're in Las Vegas, and this is a good selection for you to choose from. So follow me. Hi, good morning. This is Anita C. We just had breakfast at JW Marriott and we are going to check out the pool. So welcome to Angel Park Golf Course. Okay, let's try again.
I landed! I landed!